inside, original colonial, the people black. Original. Yeah. Yeah. Original construction. Original stone.
Ah.
Yeah.
Hola.
Now here you can see here. You can take a tour. Oh, no problem. It's a new.
Oh, this is
Really
new.
new.
Yeah.
Yeah, original stone. Original construction.
Mm-hmm. Wow. Yeah.
Different flower. It's a different name in the flower. The
Yeah. Oh, new.
See all that behind it though?
Yeah.
Hey man, out there. Look,
Directamente desde el sur del Caribe, DJ Boo ahora presenta.
el perico la perdió. Sí, hace tiempo. Estamos en Chiriquí ahora. Va, loco. Ese es mi barber.
Oh, your barber. Okay.
Rockwell. The original church, the people black.
Yeah.
If you look it, all day the construction you different stone. Inside original stone, the how the people black esclaved, original house. It's the only church 1763. The people black original. Estamos pendientes, ¿ah? Todavía. The first office administration presidency palace,
Ah.
the 1904.
Amazing.
Two-day office administration. In 1910, no office, the movie is the theater.
Ah.
The first theater is the first movie of Panama, the 1910. Panama independent of Colombia in 1903. Yeah, y esto first theater y first movie. It's the first church, the people black, 1763. The church unite Santa Ana.
Santa Ana.
Yeah.
I don't think we could come in alone. I think is what he's saying.
Oh.
Buenas tardes.
That's not us. Wow.
You look in the pictures.
Mm-hmm.
You're outside.
I don't know, Marcus, but this is worth it. I mean, we were just gonna stay on the gentrified side. If you not grabbed us, and we didn't know the history. We just knew it looked like they were. Marcus, you keep asking me that. I know that, Marcus, but you keep asking me how much. I don't know. Why don't you ask him?
Tax, we didn't negotiate the price before we did.
I just hope we got it.
Sure. Santa Ana,
Santa Ana.
the mother of the people black.
Mm-hmm.
In the inside of 52, original.
Oh.
This plus, 1673, the people black in here, they play the bullfight. In here.
Bullfight.
Yeah, 1763. Mira, you different. Whole Casco Antiguo, Chorrillo, Santa Ana. You different corregimiento of Panama. Yeah, different. Different people.
Different people. That reminds me. That's one of our 3 meters to the remote.
Inside. Well,
Yeah, the outside the city. The outside, it's the people black.
ah,
You unique restaurant unique Coca-Cola of Panama. In here, Fidel Castro, Che Guevara. In here, in 1906 fabrication, the Coca-Cola and the working the people canal of Panama. Ahí inside is the Coca-Cola and working the construction canal the people. Yeah, you only the work, you make Coca-Cola the food. The worm.
Yeah.
Mi respeto, mi gente. Okay. Ay, I do that. Oh, my friend, yo, who my friend.
That's pretty.
Como usted hace guía, si Dios no quiere ahí disfrutar. The fair shopping of Panama.
Or shopping.
The fair shopping.
Oh.
The
Okay.
1910. Yeah, hoy day you the shopping recommendation. It's a good price.
Ah.
Yeah. The price they for the people.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, original. Yeah,
Oh.
The shopping. Ahora aquí, the shopping of Panama, the tradition, original Panama.
Nice. That's nice. Hola.
Ya se va.
Mm-hmm.
The hats, original.
Original. Nice. Buenas.
Yo trato que sea mi neta.
Papá, ¿todo bien?
Hola.
Hola. Buen amigo.
The tradition, religion to the Africa.
Ah.
Religion
Ah.
different.
Uh-huh. Oh, wow.
Arriba de los lados.
The first Chinatown
Mm.
in Ocean Pacific.
Wow.
Este es the shopping de Chinatown.
Wow.
Allá the food, the Chinatown.
Huh. The first Chinatown.
Chinatown, first Chinatown of Panama.
Wow.
The 1846.
1846.
Ese es February, fiebre de California, the cold, the Chinatown and Panama, and the California. The direction California. It's the first Chinatown of Panama. Allá the food.
Okay, so they've been here.
1844.
46, 1846.
Allá the dog, the god.
Dog?
Yeah.
Dog? That's Dog Bay. Really? No, no. Oh my God.
And the looking, the mercat of Panama. The mercat.
Okay.
The fruit, vegetarian,
Oh, okay.
supermarket of Panama.
Supermarket.
The big of Panama.
Fresh meat. It's cool in here. Fresh food. Fresh. So this is near the fish market, right? Is the fish market like nearby?
Different.
Okay, but it's
Different.
it's nearby?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Oh my goodness. Look at all these fresh fruit and vegetables. Hola. You can smell the fruits. Also, I noticed they don't keep their eggs in the refrigerator.
California.
Hola. What's that?
It's a natural juice. Food, natural.
Okay.
Natural food.
¿Tienes tu comisión ahí? Ya, en el centro lo veo.
Yeah, reward.
The food.
Okay.
Aquí, the boat, the Pacific. A trasladation, the island Pacific.
Ah.
Yeah.